In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make website type as RSS feed on LinkedIn. By the end, you'll know exactly how to label a website on your profile as an RSS feed, so visitors understand what kind of link they're clicking. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type LinkedIn, then choose the official LinkedIn website from the results. If you're not already signed in, log in with your account so you can access your profile settings. Once you're on LinkedIn, look to the top of the page for the Me menu. It's the one with your profile photo. Click it to open a drop-down with your personal options. From that menu, select View Profile. This takes you directly to your public profile page, where you manage all your visible information. On your profile, locate the Contact Info section near the top area of your page. Click Contact Info to open a panel that summarizes your profile links, including websites. In this panel, look for the pencil icon, which lets you edit the contact details. Click the pencil to open the editing interface. Inside the editor, find the website section. This is where LinkedIn lets you add or adjust links associated with your profile. You may see one or multiple website fields depending on what you've added previously. In the same area, there's a drop-down labeled Website Type. Open that drop-down and choose RSS Feed. This label tells visitors that the link points to a syndicated feed rather than a standard homepage. Before you proceed, take a quick moment to make sure the website field next to it contains the correct URL to your feed. Many blogs and platforms use a path like WireFeed or RSS, but every site is different. If you're unsure, check your site's help page or your CMS settings to confirm the correct RSS address. Accuracy here ensures the link works properly and sets the right expectation for anyone clicking it. When you're satisfied with the selection and the URL, click Save. LinkedIn will apply your changes and return you to the Contact Info view. It's a good idea to glance back at the website section to confirm the website type now shows as RSS feed and that the link is present. That's all there is to it. You searched for LinkedIn, opened your profile, went into Contact Info, edited the website section, selected RSS feed as the type, and saved your changes. If the interface looks slightly different, don't worry. LinkedIn updates its design periodically, but these controls typically stay in the same place. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, clearer profile.